Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today, we're in American Fork, Utah with Woodside Homes. We'll be getting an exclusive tour of the Addison model home, just one of the many great floor plans available at the Grandeur at Stonecreek community. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Tiffany, and welcome to Woodside Homes in our Stonecreek development in American Fork. Today we are going to tour our Hampton estate model. It's about 2,450 total and finished square feet, so I'd love to take you guys on a tour of the home that we have here and show you a little bit about what we have to offer. At the entry, we have lots of kind of flexible rooms that you can personalize. It's going to come with just kind of either a formal area. You have an option of closing this off and adding a door to make this a study you'd like, or to just keep it open. We have lots of storage options here. You've got a powder room with a little nook for mudroom bench if you'd like, coat closet. Like I said, tons of room for storage. These homes don't have basements, so we do have lots of extra space for you to put your stuff. This home in particular has a 3-car garage as an option. So lots of space for your garage, your toys, storage, cars, boats, anything like that. Again, some more storage closet that goes under the stairs. So lots of places to put all of your stuff. This home here, we have a 9-foot ceiling on the main floor, which is really nice. This is one of our more popular plans here in this community. The awesome thing about this is that with the 9-foot ceiling, you actually open up into a 2-story great room area that has an open to below. In this home, we have a couple different options featured here. We have the Transom Windows, which is going to give you a little bit extra light on top of your window. We have added a fireplace now that it's coming to be fall and the weather is changing. You have an option to do a fireplace. You can see upstairs from right here, this open to below is really nice. This has an extended great room area. So this area upstairs, and we can go up there in a second, but this area up there can also be converted into a bedroom for those of you that need extra bedrooms or additional space for kids or family and things like that. So if we were to look at the kitchen, this is one of our really popular options that we have here as far as the appliances go. This is what we call our Gourmet Kitchen, where you have a gas cooktop, a stainless vent hood, lots of storage underneath the cooktop as well. And then you have your microwave and oven. There's also another popular option that you can have double ovens. And then instead of having a microwave here, your microwave would be above the cooktop. So tons of different options to personalize to, your home and make it what you're looking for. Spacious pantries as well. So lots of room for food, storage again. One thing that I love about Woodside is that we have options to do extended islands. So this has a little bit of an extended kitchen island. The length is going to be included, but the depth is going to be an option if you want to have this a little bit deeper. So there's still going to fit room for chairs underneath. This has a nice waterfall edge as far as the countertop goes, which is super popular as well. But lots of different options, like I mentioned, to personalize the home to what you're looking for and to also stay within everybody's budget, since everybody has one and they're all a little bit different. So we can go upstairs and take a peek at what's up there. So this home also features an open railing option. You can do this in different sections, so you don't have to do, all of it in open rail. You can have different sections if you'd like. Upstairs, if you wanted to maybe close this off a little bit more to reduce some of the noise or something like that, you can do that as well. But like I said, lots of options to personalize to what you guys are looking for. In almost all of our two-story home plans that we have here in American Fork, the laundry room is upstairs, which is really nice considering that's where about 99% of your laundry comes from. So spacious laundry rooms, you have an option of adding sinks, cabinets, countertops. They come with tile floors, which is really nice. So your laundry room is going to be upstairs. And we have some secondary bedrooms. So this home as it sits right now is 3 bedrooms plus a loft. So you have your either kids' rooms, guest rooms. And our homes are always super, super cute with decorations. Good sized closets for all the kids, all their stuff. And big windows so you can see the awesome mountain views that we have here. In the hall bathroom, we have a couple different options. This particular one shows 2 sinks. So if you need additional sinks in your bathroom, you can have 2. Normally it would just have the 1 sink, but the second sink is an option if you'd like, if that's something that's important to you. Again, we're all about choices and giving everybody the option of, something that's important to them. So 2 sinks is an option. Yeah. And then we have the loft area here. So this is the space that can be converted into an additional bedroom. The other thing about our Hampton estate plan that's really popular, and when you tour any of the models that we have here, you'll see these little plaques on the wall right here. This shows some of the options that we can do structurally in the home. So this open to below area here, if you need more than 3 bedrooms, you can actually close this off and you can have a 4th and a 5th bedroom if you'd like, or you can have a 4th bedroom and a loft, or just one gigantic loft if you'd like. But all of the models here, as you're touring through the models, you'll see some of the structural options that we have that we can change and personalize specific to what you're looking for. So the Hampton estate plan is going to start as a 3-bedroom home, but you have an option of doing 5 rooms upstairs and then a guest room on the main floor, so potentially 6. And with that being said, we'll head back downstairs. Oh, and master, sorry. The most important one, I should say. So this is our master suite. This home features a vaulted ceiling. That's an option if that's something that's important to you. You can also do a tray ceiling, which is kind of the stacked, not the angled, but the stacked version. So again, big windows. You've got great mountain views that you can see on a sunny day. And then this is one of my favorite showers that we have. This is our awesome, awesome stand-up shower in the master. So with this space, one thing that I love about Woodside is this space that we have allocated for the shower here is going to be the same regardless of which floor plan that you're looking at, whether it's the smallest or the largest. The space that we have here is throughout every plan. So you can do a smaller shower with a linen closet. You can have a stand-up shower and a freestanding tub, you know, separate tub and shower, or this really awesome stand-up shower here. You can also do dual shower heads if that's something that you want as well. And again, 2 sinks so that you're not fighting over the sink. Fantastic. So this home is about 2,450 square feet, like I had mentioned. If you're adding bedroom spaces instead of the open to below, that's going to add square footage to your overall. And we'd love to see you out here. If you have any questions, feel free to come visit us. We're in American Fork, super easy to find. You can follow our signs as well or visit us online, woodsidehomes.com.
To learn more about this home, click the link in the description and stay tuned for more new home showcases.